Yeah, welcome to this training on how to use animated text. So here is animated text at the upper part of my screen. You can get it from Play Store. I'll still send you the icon that you can use to download it in Play Store. Now, when you launch the app, the icon at the middle is the one you click. Once you click it, you can now put your text. But before then, I would like us to add a background. Let's use the background of maybe the logo of my company for it, or any picture of the product I want to sell can be used as the background picture. So I click here to get to my drive where I have my pictures. So I can use this icon. I'll use this picture that I just selected. So here it comes. I click on that icon to set it. So this picture will be at the background. So now let's edit the text we have here. We already have a text there, but we can delete it and put our own text. I'll say, please call on us for any type of shoes. We are the best in town. We are the best in town. Maybe the name of your company is Shoe Deals. Shoe Deals Enterprises. Put your phone number. 00. That's it. Now that you have set up what you want to animate, you now click on play. You are done, so it's going to play out now. This thing we just designed with these few words of mine is going to start showing us in different forms now. And this is what we can easily share. So you can see any icon I click on, it will change the format. There are different icons at the base of the screen. You can see it's displaying in different forms. I will choose another icon. Let me choose this. Say please call on us. You can equally change the color of the text if you want. To change the color of the text, you can click on this place and let's click on back and all right. Let's see what this one will come up with. This one is so this is going to be a purple text. Okay, so that is that for